I'm Matt Stoner, and I'm here to talk about what a good alarm is in manufacturing facilities and maybe what some bad actors are. So alarms are audio or visual indications to the operation folks. They typically can save lives, equipment, or the making of their products. Manufacturing facilities typically will define good alarms as those that the operator that's running the facility can take an action on in a period of time. So bad actors are things like alarm floods that come in all at one time, or alarms that chatter, come off and on. Delta V has alarm help. That allows the operator, it gives him information for how long he has to take to respond to an alarm, what the probable cause of the alarm is, and then consequences of the alarm if nothing's done in a timely fashion. So our customers can detect if they need to do this by using Delta V Analyze. The metrics that are produced can be used to see where you sit in the ISA 182 scale and determine if you need to do any alarm rationalization. Do you have any bad alarms in your facilities? Share your experiences on Emerson Exchange 365.